Instagram Transformation Challenge. Welcome to day number 2. In the last episode, we talked about aesthetic, and if you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna leave you the link in the description. But now that you did the first exercise, we're gonna go to what should I really post in social media? And when we're new to the game in social media, we tend to post just whatever we want. And sometimes that end up being really just photos of us having fun with our friends, and that's basically it. But I know that you are not just that. You are a full-on human being that has dreams, desires, and all cool knowledge, etc. And especially if you're trying to build your personal brand or you're trying to build a business, it is very important that you mix it up a little bit. Another very common mistake for businesses is just to talk about the products that they are selling. So it's like buy. And yeah, that's fine, but that gets pretty boring after a while. You need to give me a reason why I should be following you and being part of your awesome tribe. So here I'm going to give you a couple ideas on what you should be posting in social media to make it even better. The first thing that you can post is content of value. So it is content that people want to share. This could be a tip or a trick. Maybe if you have a product, something that people can do with that product, or if you want to be an influencer in a specific niche, it could be beauty, it could be cars, it could be whatever you want. You're gonna share your knowledge with people so people can become part of your tribe. And if they love the results that they get, they're definitely gonna share it with their friends, and you're gonna start building your own tribe. The second thing that you can share is inspiration. We have our day-to-day, and sometimes it gets a little bit tedious, so it's great sometimes when we go on our feet and see a landscape or a way to mix pieces as fashion, or maybe it is a quote, something that inspires us to share with others, but also it's bringing value to us in like taking us from our little routine and making us dream a little bit. And number 3, you should show your personality. Social media, it's all about being real, being you, and just share whatever you really feel like. If you're working with a personal account, feel free to post whatever you feel like. But if you want to work into your personal brand or you want to work towards your business, it is great if you show us a little bit of your personality. So yes, you have a store, let's say, and you love to mix pieces and all this stuff, and you're giving us tips, and you're also giving us inspiration on how to look during the week, but also we want to know a little bit about you, things that inspire you as well. So maybe that can come across like, oh, here I'm gonna show you a little bit of my personal life, or this is the way that I work every day, or my pet is my baby, and then you show one photo like that. You just need to show a little bit of things that really make you, you. So now let's go to the exercise. You're gonna write down 3 ideas for the next post that you're gonna make during this challenge. So the first post, it should be a little bit of inspiration. A second post, it should be a tool or a tip or something that you want to share with your community, whatever that community is. And third, what kind of photo will you like to take, photo or video, will you like to take to show a little bit of your personality? I particularly like to plan my post, and for that I did a planner. I don't really know about you, but I used to just write everything in pieces of paper and just lose them all. And then I went to get a planner and it just looked like a regular planner, and I end up like making a full-on mess on it. So I decided just like, okay, I'm gonna make a planner that works for people like us that love to have their social media on point. If we want to be entrepreneurs or influencers, we become content creators. And we're expected to be consistent, creative, fun every day. But we don't feel creative all the time. And this is completely normal. Also, there's so much to do that then we start getting frustrated and that we don't have enough time. And that's exactly why I created the social media planner. The amazing thing about this planner is the layout, because you can save time, you can really focus in what you need to create and celebrate the way you're growing. I added quotes and stickers to be inspired every day. I'm so excited for you to get all these benefits. Link in the description. We're gonna talk a little bit more about planning in the next videos, but before we get into planning the fee, I wanted to share with you this tool that it will really help you have in one capsule in your real personal planner all those thoughts and ideas that you can have for your social media and track the growth that you're having with the content that you're making. I'm gonna leave you the link to this planner below. Remember, you're beautiful and special. See you tomorrow.